All right, we're back on this Volkswagen. I'm going to show you something. Here's the part number to this aftermarket valve. You could look this up. You could Google it, eBay it, AliExpress, whatever you want to do. And you'll find the price of this valve anywhere from $18 to $60 on the internet. And some of them you could get same day, next day, and sometimes 3 days. Well, this is his cost, $62.83. And this was the shop's price. I didn't tell him he's getting ripped off because this is a cheap aftermarket brand, and they had to do this twice because they gave him the wrong one the first time. And yeah, so you got to be careful where you're shopping at, guys, because even though you're an owner and you have a big account and you think you're getting the good price, if they had it in stock and didn't have to order out, I go, okay, you keep it in stock, you can charge a little more. But if they have to order it out and then get it to you and all they're doing is making a phone call, no, you don't charge more than the full list price for something that's only a few dollars. That's it. $18 to $60 is what you'll find this for online. And you have to look at the part numbers. And in this particular Volkswagen, there's 4 different compressors on the different models of this particular Volkswagen. So you have 4 choices, and you have to look on the sticker that is on the compressor so you pick the right valve. All right, guys, I'll see you. Yeah, be careful where you shop. Just because they say they have it and then they have to order it out and they charge you more than list price, then you know where you don't need to be doing business anymore. See you guys later.